He sacrificed his life for the nation. He sacrificed his life for the nation. You are taking too long. You are taking too long. Don't play in the street, okay? Don't play in the street, okay? You have no match. You have no match. I don't make excuses. I don't make excuses. Why don't you say something? Why don't you say something? He speaks very good English. He speaks very good English. Don't make this mistake again. Don't make this mistake again. How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt? Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. There is nothing special. There is nothing special. She has ruined my life. She has ruined my life. He told us all about your family. He told us all about your family. Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. He was bitten by a dog yesterday. He was bitten by a dog yesterday. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Think about it. Think about it. Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. Life is unpredictable. Life is unpredictable. It was a slip of tongue. It was a slip of tongue. I am ruined. I am ruined. She has inferiority complex. She has inferiority complex. He will be with you in a moment. He will be with you in a moment. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. I'll be back in 10 minutes. I'll be back in 10 minutes. It's up to you. It's up to you. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. What brings you here? What brings you here? What should I wear in the party today? What should I wear in the party today? Hello, what is today's special? Hello, what is today's special? He could be at home. He could be at home. Where does this road go to? Where does this road go to? All my love and thanks to you. All my love and thanks to you. What's bothering you? What's bothering you? You are unnecessarily worried. You are unnecessarily worried. Don't forget your old friends. Don't forget your old friends. Don't get overexcited. Don't get overexcited. Please don't mind. Please don't mind. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I've never seen anyone do it better. I've never seen anyone do it better. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. I stood first in the class. I stood first in the class. You're improving. You're improving. I just love it. I just love it. Hey Jack, where have you gone? Hey Jack, where have you gone? There is nothing special. There is nothing special. You're getting better every day. You're getting better every day. Don't teach him bad words. Don't teach him bad words. Go and blow your nose. Go and blow your nose. Please don't disgrace our family. Please don't disgrace our family. You certainly did well today. You certainly did well today. There is no doubt about this. There is no doubt about this. Look both ways before crossing the road. Look both ways before crossing the road. Much better. Much better. I like most vegetables. I like most vegetables. Keep working on it. Keep working on it. His father has been hospitalized. His father has been hospitalized. Use your brain. Use your brain. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. Don't you believe it? Don't you believe it? How do I make you understand? How do I make you understand? I think you're doing the right thing. I think you're doing the right thing. You have to live in harmony. You have to live in harmony. Can you speak louder, please? Can you speak louder, please? Why are you coughing so badly? Why are you coughing so badly? Hi John, how are you today? Hi John, how are you today? When did you arrive? When did you arrive? Don't give him any trouble. Don't give him any trouble. Let's have some coffee. Let's have some coffee. Look around the house once. Look around the house once. Mention your mobile number. Mention your mobile number. From now on, you are my first priority. From now on, you are my first priority. Be polite to everyone. Be polite to everyone. My watch is not very accurate. My watch is not very accurate. Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I sit here? What was the next topic? What was the next topic? I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. Let me take you to the hospital. Let me take you to the hospital. It looks like it's going to rain. It looks like it's going to rain. Never stop learning English. Never stop learning English. Participate in the competition. Participate in the competition. I have not seen you for a long time. I have not seen you for a long time. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.